Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So putting some gutters on today. This is a job we roofed a week ago or so. Did some black Synox seamless gutters, perforated metal covers. It's looking really good. Guys have taken care of all the little downspout issues. We did this a little bit differently. Customers wanted the gutters set to this style, keep water out of this. It's kind of draining into the backyard. But that's how we do it. 6-inch seamless gutters. Give us a call if we can help you out, 478-501-0102. Appreciate you watching. Stay safe. Have a great day.